New tonight, domestic violence cases continue to play out in our community, and in some instances, the victims don't survive the violence. Take the case of Alicia Watts as an example. Police say she was killed by her boyfriend, James Dunmore. He's now being charged with her murder. And just this week, the Chatham County Sheriff's Office arrested Omar Drabick in the death of his wife. Investigators accused Drabick of throwing her over a bridge into a lake to her death. It's cases like these that have really pushed one group to take more action. Jamice Price learning more about their efforts on awareness, saying domestic violence touches all of our lives. Hi, Jamice.
Hi, Lauren. It's a new campaign, and when you hear the numbers, you'll understand why it's so critical to communities across North Carolina. The Department of Public Safety reports about 140,000 domestic violence related assaults within 3 years. So when you have survivors speaking up, sharing their stories, it shows there is a way out. Melody Groves has become a motivational speaker.
I'm a disruptor of domestic violence,
helping women find their voice.
I remember distinctly saying, that could never happen to me. It did. It absolutely did.
When she found herself in an emotional and physically abusive relationship.
And I found myself on crutches because when I tried to leave out the door, he picked me up and threw me to the ground. And so I sprained my ankle. And that was really devastating to me.
It took her 3 years to leave her abuser.
I don't need to be with someone who's going to harm me or make me feel like I'm unsafe.
Everyone doesn't escape unharmed or even alive. Already this year, Legal Aid North Carolina reports 53 domestic violence related homicides. Last year, the total was 47 lives lost. Christiana Johnson is the staff attorney for Legal Aid North Carolina.
It is concerning to me that we're not even on October yet.
The group assisted 7,000 people last year. The help coming on a spectrum from advice to legal representation to safety.
Just seeing how domestic violence has really silenced them, how it's made them have to quit their job or get fired.
The pain of abuse was unbearable, but I found strength in seeking help.
A PSA is out now, and a new documentary is set to be released in October during Domestic Violence Awareness Month.
But we need to highlight it so that people can realize this is an issue in my community. This affects me because it affects my community. It's not just the victim.
The film outlines the journey survivors like Melody are taking to reclaim their lives.
I don't mind speaking up, and I don't mind sharing that this is traumatic.
So it's all about breaking the silence, the shame, and stigma associated with domestic violence. And Legal Aid of North Carolina is asking that the community also get involved and also speak out against domestic violence. You can find out how by visiting abc11.com. Lauren?
Yeah, some of these stories hard to hear, Jamice, but a very important part of communicating the message to our community. Thank you.